Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to create an article from zero with Editby in a few minutes. The first thing we have to do is go to editby.ai. This is the landing page of the platform, so now we can click on login and open the platform. Once we have run all the steps, we can see the content wiki. That means all the content we have created, but in this case we won't create a new one, so we can click on new draft or press letter C of your keyboard if you want. Now we can see the new document, and on the right side of the platform we have some options like blog, newsletter, social media, video. In this case we want to create a blog post, so we are going to click on blog, and now the platform is showing us some options like blog posts from YouTube videos, blog posts from other articles. In this case, we want to create a blog post without external sources, so we are going to click on the first option. Now we can see this text box and we can enter our topic. Let's assume we want to create an article about how to start Okay, we have now our topic, and we know that we won't add a new sources because we won't use external sources, but we want to use keywords. In this case, I can type, for example, startup. I don't want to use internal link, and I'm ready for the next step, that is select template. In the platform, we have basically two options. We can create our own template, or we can use a default template. In this case, we are going to use a default template, so we can click on select template. We are going to create a blog post, so we can click on blog, and now we can see some options like href, SEMrush, style guide, financial time style, article. I know that the first option is the one I like the most, so I will click on it. On the right, I can see the structure of the template, and I can select this template. Now we are ready to choose the language. In this case, I will use English, but you can choose wherever you want, for example, Spanish, French, German, Italian, and so on. The next step is to choose your brand style if you have one. Don't worry, in a different video we are going to see how to create our brand style. For example, in this case I can just add my blog post, but I don't want to use it now. The last thing is to choose how many words we want inside the article, so in this case I will choose the first option. So now we are ready to create our content. Okay, so the first thing we can see is our title options. We have 5 title options. We select the one we like the most. In this case, I like the first one, but I don't like really the last part for aspiring entrepreneurs, so I will delete it. And now I have my title. So we can click on accept and continue. And now Editby is showing us all the paragraphs of the article. Also, in this case, we can delete, edit, or approve the paragraphs. In this case, I don't want the first paragraph, so I will delete it, but we can edit all our paragraphs as we want. Okay, now we are ready to create our full post. So we're going to click on the button create full post. Okay, now we can see our article on the right side of the platform. We can read it, we can check it in all the way we want, and if we like it, we can copy the article and paste it on the content editor. Now we are ready to edit the article. For example, we can add external links, bold, color, or ask AI to write sentence, and so on. We also can add images if we want. And that's it. Our article is ready.